We're already halfway through the year, what the hell? I need to make some more of those bookmarks. So I think they look so much better. Yeah, so I need to prep some meals later. Today is Saturday, finally the weekend again, so I can get to film some bits because during the weekdays after work I don't really have that much energy to start vlogging or really doing too much actually with anything. I just kind of like, the evening goes really quick as well. But anyway, I'm actually just finishing editing the last vlog that you would have already seen. And I've also made my little to-do list. So if you didn't see, I actually got this new notebook and a little charm that hangs on it, which I just decided to add on there. Don't know if it looks weird or not, but anyway. So actually it's 1st of June today, so happy June. We're already halfway through the year, what the hell. But I have just made a little to-do list for the day. So I needed to edit the vlog, which I'm just doing. I needed to test my printer, which I've just done, and you would have seen that in the end of the last vlog. But today I'm actually going to make some bookmarks, which is the next thing on my list. Oh, I actually need to pack an order, which I need to write down. But yeah, I need to just pack an order. Someone bought a bookmark, and so yeah, I need to make some more of those bookmarks. Thank you so much to Tara Lee for ordering my bookmark. This is the one that she got. Came out. This is the final result. So I think they look so much better than like bigger version. Although now these are like going to go to waste, and I need to get some more 250 GSM paper, card or whatever, because I've literally got one page left. So yeah, but yeah, on the back it's just like a repeat pattern, and I did add my logo on each one as well. Very small, so you can't really see it, but... And I actually got this butterfly from a girl drawing that I did with butterflies around her, and I just took the butterfly element and I just placed it into a repeat pattern. These are 14 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Sunday again, and it's actually the 16th of June today, which I actually started this vlog on the 1st of June. So as you know, I do have a full-time job and times just get busy sometimes and I don't always get the time or inspiration maybe to vlog. So anyway, I am back to work tomorrow, so a bit later I'm going to actually prep some food because I actually got this new jumper. I really like it. It's really warm and cozy. It's got 2 pockets. I got it from Kmart in Australia, by the way. In case you're new to my channel, I do live in Adelaide in Australia, so yeah, I got this from Kmart. It's pretty cheap. And I also got, I put a picture here, I also got these blue leggings, they're like gym leggings, and a grey zip hoodie as well. Do love going in Kmart for some bargains, and I do have some quite nice clothes in there as well. So, but yeah, this morning I've already had eggs and avocado, I've had 2 coffees, and I've replied back to some emails. I've started editing a video as well, so feeling good, and I'm actually excited to go back to work tomorrow. I do actually enjoy my job. I like getting into my routines. I always go to the gym before work, so I do that like 5 days a week. But yeah, so I need to prep some meals later to keep me on track for the week. Pretty simple meals, but I feel like it works. It's easy. I also just want to film another video now. A few of you have requested for me to film a what's on my phone, an updated version, because I've got this Flip 5 phone now, and the other video that I did do was on my older phone.